In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change cover photo on Facebook without posting. So if you also want to learn how, then make sure you watch this video until the end and let's get started. Now you see a lot of people adding their profile picture or their cover pictures on Facebook, but you cannot see the post on their profile either. Now they do it by changing the privacy settings. Now to do that, head over to your profile section and then tap on the cover and tap on upload photo. As you can see, I've selected a cover. You can also select one, and now on the cover section on the bottom you'll see an option of share your updates newsfeed. By default it will be toggled on. You can toggle that off and then tap on save. Now after you do that, you can see that the cover picture has been changed, but there is no post made on my profile. So I hope you guys liked this video and found this video to be helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.